Hello everyone, welcome to the series of Hackerrank 30 days of code. In this video we will solve the day 4 problem, that is class versus instance. So let's see what is the challenge given. So the task is given, we have to create a class whose name will be person with an instance variable age, and we have to construct a constructor inside the class that takes an integer initial age as a parameter. The constructor must assign initial age to the age after confirming that the argument passed as initial age is not negative. If a negative argument is passed as initial age, the constructor should set age to 0 and print age is not valid and setting age to 0. In addition to that, we have to create instance method inside the class. The first method we have to create is year passes method. This should increase the age instance variable by 1, and the second method we have to create is myold method. Inside this method the conditions are given that if age is less than 13 we have to print you are young, and if age is greater than equal to 13 and age is less than 18 we have to print you are a teenager, otherwise you have to print you are old. So let's jump towards the coding part. Here first we will understand what code is given. So let's understand the code which is given. Here an integer input is taken from the user, and inside the for loop age variable is given in which an user input is taken. So basically what the for loop is describing that it describing that how many times the age variable will be passed by the user. After that it's creating an object for the class person and passing that object and calling myold method, and after that another for loop given which will call the year passes method and it will increase up to 3 times. Then myold method is called, and here you can see that class person is already created and a constructor inside it is already created, and myold method is also declared and year passes method is also declared, and our task is to add more code in it. So inside this constructor we have to check whether initial age is greater than 0 or not. So let's write our code. If initial age variable is less than 0, then we have to assign self dot age equal to 0, and we have to print that age is not valid setting age to 0. After that in the else part we have to assign self dot age to initial age, and next in the myold method we have to find whether age is less than 13 or greater than 13 and between 18 or more than 18. So let's write the code. So the first condition is less than 13, so write the code for it. If self dot age is less than 13, then print you are young, then in the elif part we will compare the age is between 13 and 18 or not. So elif self dot age greater than equal to 13 and self dot age is less than 18, then we have to print you are teenager, and one last condition left, that is in else part we have to print you are older. That's it for this method. Next method is year passes. Here you have to increase the age by 1, so I'm writing self dot age plus equal to 1. So I forgot to give a space here, a full stop here, and here there is a and it's not older, it's old, and full stop. So let's run our code. Yeah, it's passing all the test cases. Let's submit the code. Yeah, it successfully passes all the test cases. So that's it. If you like this video, do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.